outside. What, buddy? Mama. 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 You want side? Whatever you're playing, Lily, that sounds scary.
Why?
It sounds like ghosts.
Nah, it's just a wolf game.
Oh, yeah?
It's like the snow blowing.
Oh, cool. I hear it now.
I'm a snow wolf. I'm playing as a snow wolf. See, it's like the snow whistling.
Oh, I see now.
It's online.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, I hear it now.
That is when the players respawn. It's kind of creepy. I mean, it's whenever the wolf, whenever a bad wolf kills another wolf, but they respawn.
You can go outside. Wait. Come on, jacket on. Up, up, up. Come here. Come on. Here, come on. Rather you not see him over there, but... Going outside. Just outside now, okay? Come on. Come on. Hey, buddy. Come on. You coming? Honey, it's the same thing. Here we go. fucking losses. That's bullshit. They had no right to do that.
Here's the thing. Don't even say we're gonna get her cremated then. So they can fucking. Well, he did not.
I can't even find my fucking shoes.
Want to head down to the funeral?
Well, who's your detective?
Larry Cole.
No, ain't Larry Cole. It's, Camelo? Where'd the phone go?
Right here. No, right here.
You calling him?
Tell them you just talked to the funeral home and what's going on with her body.
He's supposed to call back in a couple minutes, but that's just like put me on hold a couple times too.
Yeah, right.